Hello everyone, welcome back again. So today's sound comparison is with Zealot S79 and Onyx Studio 8. So if you are curious to know which one sounds better among both speakers, then this is definitely the video for you. Or if you're looking forward to get one of both speakers, then I hope this helps you make a better decision. Now, as many of you may know, Zealot portable speakers are known for their rugged design, extremely loud, and pretty affordable with decent battery life. And as for the Hamakadon portable speaker, they are widely known for their premium and classic design, good sound quality, making them perfect for indoor use, and they also perfectly fit well on any good house furniture. For more information regarding their features and all that, kindly check previous video which I did on this channel featuring either of both speakers. And kindly smash that like button and subscribe to this channel for more tech content. So if you have your headphone, then I advise you to use them. If you don't have your headphone, then I hope you're playing from a louder speaker. That way you're going to get a better sound experience regarding the sound comparison we're about to do right now. So without wasting much time, let the sound comparison begin.
Yes! shining, smiles all around. Heart is stamping to the sound.
So I'll leave you guys to be the judge. Do well to comment in the comment section below and let me know which one you think played better. In my opinion, both speakers did great, and as you already know, they both have their two different unique sound. So I'll leave you guys to be the judge. Let me know in the comment section which one sound better according to your experience. So thank you so much. Kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, peace and love.